So how was camp today?
Good.
What'd you do?
I built a shelter big enough for a bear.
You built a shelter big enough for a bear?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes, way.
Did you guys do that today?
Yeah.
Where?
Outside.
In the forest, or did you guys go in the meadow? Did you build a shelter in the river?
In the meadow.
In the meadow?
No, I mean in the woods.
In the forest?
Yeah. It
Oh,
was
nice.
pretty good.
It was pretty good. Did you build it by yourself?
Uh-huh.
Sorry?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
One man build.
A one-man build
With a little bit of help of people.
with a little bit of help from two people.
From Cuba.
Oh, from Cooper. Cooper helped you. What when did you guys do this morning? You can't remember? That's all right. Once you did it.
I remember what we did. I remember that we did a mystery hunt.
Oh, you did scavenger hunt for who stole the snack, right? I know.
And then,
Who stole the snack?
Junior Bear.
Junior Bear? Did Junior Bear steal the snack?
Yeah.
I
And
know,
it was
he's
so
terrible.
fun because we saw the pies.
What happened to Junior Bear? What happens when you steal the snack at the Humber Arboretum?
You get pied.
You get
You get pied in the face.
you get pied in the face.
And
So
and you get the loving taste of this.
the loving taste of sweet, sweet pie.
And also the thing you're going to be.
And what happens?
You're going to be like treated like a kid.
Gonna get treated like a kid if you steal the pie? I mean, steal the snack?
It's just like getting a torpedo in you. That's what it was like for him. What are you guys doing?
I mean, what are we doing?
Here.
They're explaining what they did for me today.
They're barely in us. Now go away. We're talking online. Sorry about that.
That's okay. All right, say bye.